Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna and today we're going to be doing a summer glowy look and I'm so excited to just dive in and do this, so let's just get started. So I just had makeup on right before this and I just took it off, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Kapari moisturizer. Moving on to primer, I am trying out this Tarte Base Tape hydrating primer. I don't know why I said I was trying it out. I've used this like so many times. For this look, I'm going for a really moisturized, glowing, vibrant look. I will be using a matte foundation, but that's just because it's summer and you're sweaty and it's hot. But everything else that I'm using are super glowy, moisturizing products. But the matte foundation is just to keep it a little bit. Okay, now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion. I tried this out earlier today. My friend gave this to me the other day. And so I tried it out earlier today when I had my makeup on before. And I actually really liked it, so I want to use it in this video. Just put it all over and rub it in and it just gives you this glow. I just like love it. It just makes you shine. Now if you're oily, I do recommend that you stay away from these super duper moisturizing products and maybe put on a little bit of a mattifying primer and just kind of skip these steps that I just did. Well, maybe not like the first moisturizer, but this Tarte primer, if you're oily in the summertime, I don't know, this, if you're oily, don't use it. A mattifying primer right in your T-zone, right through here, just pat it in with your finger like this. And then on the rest of your face, you can use a universal primer, such as Radiance primer. That's a really good universal primer for people who have oily and dry skin, anywhere in between. Everything's falling. Moving on to foundation, it's going to be Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is a matte foundation, but this Lumi lotion stuff, it shines through the matte because it's not like super duper mattifying. So I really loved how it looked. I'm basically like just recreating the face portion of what I did earlier today. I just didn't do it on camera, but it was just so pretty. I had to like refilm it and like do it on camera because it was so pretty. I self-tanned, so I'm able to use a little bit of the different foundations for my self-tan self. Okay, so moving on to concealer. I'm going into my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Down the nose, above the nose, above the lips, on the chin. Such a beautiful concealer. Now I'm doing setting powder. Now I'm gonna go in with this Kiss and Smink blush. So extra. Cream blush, by the way. And blend it out with my Beauty Blender. Over top of that, I'm going in with my Benefit High Beam. It's a little sample one, but whatever. It still works the same. And blending that out. So now you just have this glow on your face. Going to prime my lids with the MAC Paint Pot. Okay, and now that that is blended out, I'm going to do my eyebrows with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And then I'm going to conceal them with my ColourPop concealer. And then I'm going to use the brow gel by the Color Workshop. Okay, so now we're moving on to eyes. I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty metallic stick, melted shadow stick, and I'm gonna use the matte side of it and do 3 dots on each eyeball. I'll tell you the shade, Fox Fur, and blend it out. This is just gonna be our base color. The palette that we're gonna be using today is the 35G Bronze Goals palette by Morphe. So I think I'm gonna put my transition color down, which is Sandy Roritia. I swear everything on this desk right here is being knocked over. It's getting my nerves. So we are just gonna blend that back and forth into the crease as our transition shade. I just cleaned all of my brushes with brush cleaner really quickly. So they are all clean for you, all 4 of these. I feel fancy. By the way guys, do you like my bow? I'm finally using it in a video. I normally only use it for like my face mask videos and to like wash my hair. I just said to wash my hair. I meant to wash my face. Me and Harrison call these little bows bunnies. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. We just do. I'm blending the same color up on the other side. Okay, now we're moving on to Naked, which is this marvelous color right here. And we're putting that in our outer crease and blending it in. Kind of like a C shape. Like, shoop. Doing the same thing to the other side. Outer corner, bringing it in. Going in circular motions. Sometimes swiping, just really depends what needs to be placed where. I almost just dipped into this red shimmer and that would have been odd. I love it that you guys like to watch my videos. It makes me feel so nice. I'll have people on Snapchat sliding up saying like, I love to watch your videos and stuff like that. And like, I can't wait until your next video comes out, and like, that just warms my heart. It honestly does. I don't want to make this too toasty because it's like a summer bronzy golden look. Like, you want to look a little like molten, like whatever, but you don't want to look too much darkened up. So I'm not going to take it too dark today. Still dipping into the same color, just blending it up in the outer corner. Bringing it a little bit upwards and blending it towards the middle of my eye. I think that's about as dark as I want to take it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pretty yellow shade and pop it on our eyeballs. It's called Soul. Okay, it's a pretty name. Right here. Yes, we're doing it. Now what I found before with these shimmers is you need to pop it on with your finger because it's not going on with the brush. So I'm just gonna put it on with my finger. I think I lied. I do want to go a bit darker. If you guys actually like copy my tutorials and stuff like that, send me pictures and stuff because I want to see your recreations. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush and And I'm going to go in with a deeper color, which is going to be Toasted. And it looks like this. Told you everything's being knocked over on my desk. Take a little bit of that and pop it in a V shape on our outer corner. And now we're gonna go back in a circle and blend that. Or blend it in circular motions. I'm gonna tap back in and grab some more. Do the same thing. Now I'm gonna bring it in towards the inner corner, just in a swiping motion. Now I'm gonna grab one of those colors and put it on my under eye. Really, any of the brownish colors that we used is fine. If you want to go darker, then you can use one of the darker colors. If you want to go lighter, then you can use one of the lighter colors. Now I'm gonna put on some mascara and I'll be right back. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara, and it's literally the best. It's $5 at Ulta. Just saying, like I had to say in every video, because I just want people to know that it's such an amazing mascara for like really affordable price. So now I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer. Comment your least favorite part about your makeup routine. Mine would definitely have to be my brows, because I'm not very good at brows and it takes forever for me to have to do my brows. My brow pencils run out a lot because I press down really hard and it breaks off my brow product. So yeah. Moving on to blush, I've been hooked on this Milani blush in Tea Rose. I don't know why I said Tia. I'm from the South. I should know that says T. I don't know. Anyways, Tea Rose. It's so pretty, and pretty on the face too. It's gorgeous blush. I really need to start dipping into some more drugstore brands, because they have some like flawless stuff, like that L'Oreal Lumi glotion. Is that what it's called? I think I got it right. Yeah, glotion, that's what it's called. That stuff is like amazing, and this blush is amazing. I really need to start dipping into more drugstore stuff, because I feel like I always go towards the high-end stuff when I go to buy something, but the drugstore really has some amazing products. But I want to do a full face drugstore product, so that is going to be coming soon. And also full face for beginners. I want to start touching on my beginner people, because I'm getting a lot of questions asked on Snapchat from my friends and stuff that want more information. So definitely going to hit on that too. So I'm using my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. You guys know that I like to do my setting spray before my highlighter, because it just gives it an extra pop. I'll let it set a couple seconds so it's not like super wet, so it doesn't like ruin the highlighter. But then after that, I go ham on my highlighter, especially for this look, since we're doing a glowy look. I'm using my ABH Amrezy highlighter. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my gosh, this looks gonna be so pretty. It's gonna be so pretty, and I'm not even going anywhere. Like, why do I do these looks at 10 o'clock at night? Why? I look so glamorous right now. Oh my gosh. Ooh, she's glowing. She needs to knock that glow down a little bit though. She put too much on. Now I'm gonna pop on my Dodo lashes. You can use code ANNAFaith.c to get some money off. The lashes range from prices like $5 to $12, and it's super affordable, and they're like great lashes, so go check them out. Their link is always in my description box because I leave my discount codes in my description box, so always check that out. Wouldn't recommend it to you if it wasn't good, guys. Okay, the lashes are on. They look bomb. Now I'm going in with my Winky Lux lipstick in Naked Dress. Okay, last but not least, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Citrine. Oh, it smells heavenly. Look at that highlight, oh my gosh. Well guys, this is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a fun summer, and be sure to use this look while you are enjoying your summer makeup. So be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and all that fun stuff. So thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.